Hello everybody, today we are going to speak about how to download Quixel Bridge, use any material like this one and convert it to displacement map with just 3 types of material. We will speak about all details and how can you convert this texture to make like that displacement map. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video, and let's get started. First of all, we need to go to window and go to Quixel Bridge, and we need to choose our material. Which one? For example, any one of them, or you can choose, for example, something like that. Okay, so we have a lot of material. For example, we can choose this one. Okay, and nice. Okay, so we can choose this one. Okay, and highest quality and make download rocky ground. Wait for download. And make add to your project rocky ground. We can go to our content and go to Megascan and surface and search for the name of this rocky ground. Okay, so now if I come here to modeling and choose, for example, rectangle and make it 100 and 100 and accept scale it a little bit. So now if I come here and drag and drop our material, so what I will see now, look, 2D just there is nothing here. Look, there is no displacement. So we need to resolve this problem. First, if I come here and make wireframe, so you will see your plan is 1 and 1 and it is not support for displacement. So we need to go to here, mesh OBS, and make remesh. So 5,000 or 10,000 or anything as you like. Make accept. So there is nothing happened. So we need, after that, if I come here and see wireframe, so you will see those rectangle, and now we are in the right way. So I need to go to deform. You will see a tab called displacement. So if you come here, you will see this displacement, but this is not the main result. So I need to come here and choose texture 2D map. So I will come here and I will choose this one, ORDP, and I will come here, option displacement map, and I will drag and drop this one. After that, you will see this result. So we need to make it a little bit 5, for example, but look here, we need to make remesh more than this remesh. If we come here, remesh, make remesh. So I need to come here and make remesh. After that, 5,000, we need to make it 100 1000 and okay, and make accept. So I will go to deform and make displacement. Look forward, what happened now? For you can make it more or 2. So if you look here, there is some problem appear for me here. So if you want to resolve this problem, if you come for option and there is channel, you will choose blue one. Look, red, green, blue. We will choose blue. After that, you will see this nice result. Okay, so we will increase this to 5, for example, and this for 5. Look, amazing. After that, if I want to play with this, so we can make accept, and we will convert it, convert this map to Nanite. So now I need to come to this one. This is our mesh. Look, this is our displacement. So I need to insert, look, this is without any texture. So if I choose this one, I come here, you will see this nice result, amazing. And so if you look here, you will see, look, wireframe, how many polygon. So we need to come here and we need to go there, double click in this area and activate Nanite and apply, and okay, and play as you like. Okay, look for those details. Really, I love it. So if you like this video, you can make subscribe for my channel and like for my video. See you in the next video. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.